stopping the milkshake from coming out of the straw? Is there some magic in the air? Let's do an experiment to see what this magic in the air is. Let's go! Hello friends, I am Albert Einstein and welcome to my lab where you and I will be exploring science beyond your books, around us, in things that surround us. So, let's get started.
Today's experiment is bottle fountain. For this experiment, we need 3 things. Number 1, a tray. Number 2, a bottle filled with colored water. And finally, a pin or any other pointed object to poke holes. Let's go! We begin with the bottle. Let's punch 4 holes along the waist of this bottle. Kind of difficult. Got it? Will the water flow out of the hole? Wow, that's surprising. Let me punch more holes to figure this out. That's right. Hey, what's stopping the water from coming out of the bottle? Oh, let me open the bottle cap. And there you have it. The water comes out of the bottle. And it stops? Wow. Why is this happening? Let's find out.
So can you guess what stopped the water from coming out of the bottle? Let me give you a hint. The answer is all around you. That's right, air. The air around the bottle puts pressure on the holes, pushing the water back in. Now I know what you're thinking. Air is so light. Then how can air put pressure? Let's not forget that even though we cannot see air, air is made up of tiny little particles that occupy space. And anything that occupies space has mass, and mass has the power to put pressure. Don't believe me? Check this out. When we tie 2 balloons at the end of a stick and fill one balloon with more air than the other, the stick tilts towards the balloon that has more air. This happens because the balloon that has more air has more mass, and more mass is equal to more pressure. Hence proven, the more the air, the more is the pressure. But still, isn't air lighter than water? Then how can the pressure of air be greater than the pressure of water? Consider this. On one hand, we have all the air around this bottle putting pressure on the holes from the outside. On the other hand, we have only this much water putting pressure on the holes from the inside. Who do you think will win? All the air around this bottle or the water inside the bottle? That's right. The pressure of the air around this bottle is greater than the pressure of the water inside the bottle. So in this case, air pressure wins, pushing the water back in. But what happens when we open the bottle cap? When we open the bottle cap, we let all the air above the bottle enter and put pressure on the water from the top. In this way, both air and water together put pressure on the holes from the inside. And this double pressure of air and water is greater than the pressure of the air on the outside. And in this case, the double pressure wins, making the water come out of our bottle fountain. From balloons to the tires of our cars, we can see air occupying space everywhere. And we know that air has mass, and mass has the power to put pressure. So now you see, friends, air is all around us, and therefore air pressure is all around us. And yes, you got it. The same air pressure stopped the milkshake from coming out of my straw. Now you see, air has pressure, so go get some air and feel it for yourself.